Hello everyone, I welcome you all to C2B. In this video, I shall be discussing a multiple choice question in biochemistry. This is a part of a video series where I shall be discussing some of the multiple choice questions in biochemistry which you must know if you are preparing for the post-graduation NEET examination or the next examination. Let's first see the MCQ. Which of the following is false about trans fatty acid? A. Increase risk of cardiovascular disease. B. Fried foods have high content of trans fatty acid. C. Hydrogenation increases trans fatty acids. D. Hydrogenation decreases trans fatty acid. And E. It increases LDL and decreases HDL. So this is a PGI type of a question. Take your time and form your answers. And let's first see the explanation and then I shall be giving you the answer to this question. The fatty acids are of two types. We have saturated fatty acids and we have unsaturated fatty acids. The unsaturated fatty acid, that means will have a double bond, can be further divided into monounsaturated fatty acid if it has a single double bond, polyunsaturated fatty acid if it has more than one double bond. The polyunsaturated fatty acids can be further divided into omega-6 fatty acids and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, in this particular question, they have been asking us about the trans fatty acids. Remember, all the naturally occurring fatty acids are cis in nature. So, how do we get trans fatty acids? Of course, they are synthetically made by hydrogenation of the liquid vegetable oils. For example, during the manufacture of margarine, they are major components of the commercial baked foods. They are also the part of the most deep fried foods. Another very big problem with the trans fatty acids is they compete with the essential fatty acids for absorption. As a result, they produce essential fatty acid deficiency. Then they tend to increase serum LDL and decrease the HDL levels. They are associated with increased risk of diseases, including cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Now, this is a very important piece of information. The various types of fats included are saturated and unsaturated. As we have already discussed, unsaturated fatty acid can also be divided into monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, and trans fatty acids. Now, let's see their metabolic effect. The saturated fatty acid tend to increase LDL, will have little effect on HDL. As a result, they can result in increased incidence of coronary heart disease and may increase the risk of prostate and colon cancer. Now, the unsaturated fatty acid like monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid, they tend to decrease LDL and also decrease HDL. Therefore, they are considered to be good as they decrease the incidence of coronary heart diseases. Here also, there is one thing you must note that the polyunsaturated fatty acid, especially the omega-6, they provide arachidonic acid, which is an immediate precursor of prostaglandins and leukotrienes. However, on the other hand, the omega-3 fatty acid, which is the most cardioprotective, they suppress cardiac arrhythmias, reduce serum triacylglycerol, decrease the tendency for thrombosis and lower the blood pressure. The trans fatty acid, on the other hand, behaves similar to that of the saturated fatty acid as it tends to increase the LDL level and decrease the HDL level and hence can increase the incidence of coronary heart disease. Now, let's see the correct answer. Which of the following is false about the trans fatty acid? One by one. Increase the risk of cardiac vascular disease? Yes, true. Fried foods have high content of trans fatty acid? Again, true. Hydrogenation increases trans fatty acids? Hydrogenation decreases trans fatty acids? False. And it increases LDL and decreases HDL? True. So, match your answer. I suppose you are also saying answer D. For more such must-know information and quick revision in biochemistry before you appear for your NEET examination, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon Further updates will be available on my social media handle. Thank you. God bless you all.